1. When a particular diet excites you, the first thing you should see is the concept behind the diet. Why does the diet work? What principle is it based on? What nutrients will it provide, and what will it restrict, if at all? These are the things that you have to look for. Your choice of diet should always depend on the theory behind its working. 2. Your next step will be to get as much information as you can about the diet. Visit the website first and see what they are telling. If you have any questions, you should contact them and find out more. Most of the reputed diets out there also give out ebooks that describe the diet in detail. You could order these ebooks, and actually you should do that because that gives you a perfect idea of what the diet is about. 3. Read the reviews on the diet. See how it has affected people who have used it already. Make sure to read a lot of reviews and read them on reputed websites so that you are certain you are not reading glowing reviews that have been planted by the company itself. 4. See if there are any drawbacks about the diet. Is there any reason why your body won't adjust with the diet well? Are there any special things to keep in mind? If you are skeptical about anything, make it a point to ask someone reputable. 5. What kind of support does the company provide? You should not be left in the lurch once the diet has started. This is very important. When dieting, you have to work closely with the people who have designed the diet, especially when it is something like Jenny Craig's program, which delivers healthy meals to your doorstep for a fixed number of days. 6. Even if you feel everything is perfect, do not start out the diet without first seeking counsel from your doctor. Tell them about the diet and ask them whether it is safe for you to go ahead with it.